Hello, good evening, everybody. Welcome to India's number one online platform, GradeUp. Okay, and today, what we will discuss about the answer and detailed solution of the question which I posted today of 12th December 2020. So, without wasting time, we will go ahead and you all please check the answer whether you got the correct one or not. Okay, so I hope you are ready, everyone. So, the question was, consider the following statement regarding relational database model, right? Okay, so this is the question of database, challenging question. So null values can be used to opt a tuple out of enforcements of a foreign key. So here, what is the meaning of this opt a? Actually, they are saying, can we put null values in foreign key? So null values are allowed in foreign key. Simple, right? So it is true. Second one, suppose the table T has only one candidate key, and if it is in 3NF, then it will be in also BCNF. So here what we have to check. So suppose we have R and we have A, B, C, D, and we have functional dependency. Let's say I have some functional dependency. AB goes to CD, let's say. So now what is the key here? Obviously AB will be the key here because AB goes to CD. I told you, because they are saying only one candidate key we have. That is the reason I have taken this. You can take any example, you can take, no problem. Okay, so any example you can take and you can say it is in 3NF, then definitely it will be in BCNF also. Why? What is the definition of 3NF? 3NF says either the left hand side of functional dependency is the candidate key, or I'm saying, or right hand side are the prime attribute. So here, because AB is the key, so fulfilling 3NF property. And what about BCNF? BCNF says only first one, that is candidate key. So AB is the candidate key. Yes, 100%. So it is also true, beta, right? It is also fulfilling the statement. So it is true. Now we will see the C1, option C, the difference between the project operator pi in the relational algebra and select keyword in SQL is that if the resulting table has more than one occurrence of the same tuple, then pi will return only one of them, while SQL select will return all. So I think pi removes duplicate, and if you use select, then it will not remove duplicate, it will give all. So if you use select distinct, then only it will become same. But if we are not using distinct, then it will give all, and here it will remove duplicate automatically. So beta, it is also true. So this is the question of MSQ. Okay, MSQ question. So here in this GATE 2021, from this time onwards, they have introduced new concept MSQ, multiple select questions, multiple selective options type question, right? So here A is true, 100%. B is false, no, not at all. B is also true. C is true, yes. Only A is true, but B, C false, no. So beta, what is the answer? Finally, answer is A and C. So two options are correct. Okay, I hope you understood the question, and so be happy with the next question. We will be having next one more question later on. So bye bye, take care and have a great day.